Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show how to disable the notification from any website or any browser. Like if you are getting the notification from the Google and the other suggested, so we can disable that. Okay. So in order to disable that, click on here. Okay. You can see the already is one notification is here. So you need to click on this option which says manage notification. Click on this and simply turn it off. Okay, notification from apps and other center, turn it off. All the options are off. If you want to create a filter that which app should allow you to send the notification, so you can do that also. Okay, like storage setting, I'm getting the option of storage, so I can disable that. Okay, it means that I have turned it off, and if on, then I will receive the notification. Maintenance audio and any particular program like Microsoft Store, I can disable that also. Suggested, turn it off. Voice recorder, okay, and tablet mode, okay, turn it off. So this is how you can turn it off. Okay, and in the second method you can do that. If you are not able to access from here, go to start menu, click on setting, click on this option system display sound notification power, and you will see the notification action and centers, and you will get the same options. Okay, you will get same options here. So this is how you can disable the notification on your Windows. So hope this small video is useful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.